Part two, you don't know about me. In my juke, talk shit, man, I'm inconsiderate. I don't give not a fuck, smoking on a couch stick cigarette, yeah, I'm going fucking live. You complain and you can say bye. I don't even give a fuck about what haters gonna say to me. You talking real crazy, fucking calls in the comments trying to have a baby. Yeah, I'm going live in this bitch, and you already know I'm going outside. And if you ever talk shit again to my friend's sister, when niggas gon' bust them. I don't give a fuck about a little Dylan folk talking shit. Need to go take his ass to New Hope and pray to the church and to the Lord. And I don't give a fuck about him. I'll rap him ass with a cord and choke his at the death. Yeah, I'm saying this for real. You niggas talking shit, but my juice will kill. I'm from KO, and that's what I say. Don't give a fuck about what a nigga gonna say to me. I'm doing money and I'm doing this shit from Sunday to Monday. Man, nigga, I'm going crazy. Just a motherfucking kids. Hey, just a motherfucking kids. Hey, just a motherfucking kids. Hey.
Monday through Sunday, nigga, every day NY, that's fucking my day. Do it my way, every on the highway. We moving up and down the interstates, bird flying way. What? It ain't nothing to it. We ride around here blowing blunts like what? Do what you wanna do, what? To it. We come through in the motherfucking coupe. Suicide though is on that bitch, you already know. Good night, what with the 26s hoe. We ride around all blacks on that white what? Ride around with clear windows so you see us cuz it ain't nothing to it. We ain't got no intent on it. We ride around that bitch like what you wanna do, homie. We got 12s in the trunk. Hey. You know that shit is bumping. We got 4 of them motherfuckers and it's fucking thumping. Coming through that bitch in the KO street. 44 is on my ride, holla at it beat. What we got? 26s on that fucking bitch. What? Mud tires and you hear them fucking coming. Coming in this shit. Wong. You looking fucking crazy like where's Toby Kyle? I hear him coming to that motherfucking coming from a motherfucking mile away. You hear me the whole time before you see me coming. It ain't nothing, hear me drumming. When that fucking beat turned up, you already know we coming. It ain't nothing to it. We come around, KO Town, come around the bitch, fucking get stomped down.